Today we're going to read a book together. We're going to read Dog's Colorful Day, a messy story about colors and counting. This book was written by Emma Dodd and published by Puffin Books. All right, friends, here we go. This is Dog. As you can see, Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. At breakfast time, Dog sits under the table as usual. Splat! A drop of red jam lands on his back. Now Dog has 2 spots. 1, 2. After breakfast, Dog runs outside. He slips past the man painting the front door. Splish! His tail dips into the blue paint. Now Dog has 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. Dog runs to the park and rolls in the grass. Squash! The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. Now Dog has 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dog follows a little boy eating chocolate. Squish! The boy gives Dog a chocolatey pat, but no chocolate. Now Dog has 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bee buzzes up to see what is going on. Swish! The bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by. Now Dog has 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dog trots on through the park. Splush! A drop of pink ice cream lands on his right ear. Now Dog has 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street. Splash! A bouncing ball splatters Dog with gray mud. Now Dog has 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In front of the gate, Dog steps on a carton of orange juice. A patch of orange appears on his leg. Now Dog has 9 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Silly Dog! Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge on Dog's head. Now Dog has 10 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks down at Dog. She counts all his spots. Dog looks more closely. Dog has a red spot of jam, a blue blob of paint, a green stain of grass, a yellow patch of pollen, a brown smear of chocolate, a pink drop of ice cream, an orange splash of juice, a gray splatter of mud, a purple smudge of marker, and of course, a black spot on his left ear. You need a bath, Dog. Dog needs a bath. When Dog climbs into his bed, he has just one spot left on his ear. Good night, Dog. What a colorful day you've had. The end. Thank you.